Your girl just saved $14 by doing her eyebrows herself. So let's save that money, sis.
Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl.
What is up? What's poppin'? What's really good though? It's your girl Kathiana and I'm back with another video. And in this video, you're gonna be watching me do my eyebrows by myself. I will be using the NADS facial hair removal cream to achieve this goal, and this is my first time actually using it on my eyebrows, and this whole is the reason why I'm actually trying this, because even though I usually get my eyebrows threaded at the mall, I still just don't want to be, going out there that much in, that close to close contact kind of thing. I just want to try and do something new, and I just want to know how to do it by myself, to be honest with you. So if this ever happens again, I know what to do. And I'm excited because I've been needing to do my eyebrows for the longest. And as you can see, your girl slayed it. So I'm so excited. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get it poppin'. Alright, so I'm going to be using the NADS Facial Hair Removal Cream Kit, and it has two things in there. First, it has the hair removal cream, and it also has the balm relief. That way you can use it after you're completely done. And I'm going to be using the facial brush to apply the cream on to my eyebrows and see how I can shape my eyebrows with it. So first I'm going to put the cream in the middle of my eyebrows so I can get rid of all those little tiny hairs in the middle. And then I'm going to put it on top of my eyebrows. So that way I can start seeing how I'm going to shape my eyebrows, and I'm gonna put it at the bottom because I see where it's uneven, so I want to make sure I get a lot of that hair out. And you want to make sure that you're also applying the cream directly onto the hair and not just on the skin. And you want to make sure that you put a fair amount so that way when it comes time to removing the hair that it completely comes off. Now I'm going to do the same onto the other side. And I'm holding my forehead up that way I can really shape it, because that's kind of how the lady who does my eyebrows, that's what she usually does to really shape it when she's threading it. So I kind of learned that technique from her, and it really does work. So I was kind of getting annoyed with the brush, so I took a cotton round to see if it would make it easier to apply the cream onto my eyebrows. So now I'm just going to double check in the mirror and make sure that I'm actually doing this right as I'm doing this in front of the camera. I'm just making sure I'm getting a better look and a better view. So now I'm applying more cream onto the bottom hairs of my eyebrows, and you can see how uneven it is. So I'm making sure I'm getting a lot of cream where I'm going to be removing the hair out. Because if you don't have a lot of cream on there, then it's going to be difficult to remove the hairs that you're trying to remove. Now, it is important when you put on this hair removal facial cream onto your eyebrows that you leave it on for at least 5 to 10 minutes, but not exceeding 10 minutes.
Sex OD, you got it, girl, you got it.
Now I did put some facial cream on top of my lips too, so that way I could remove some of the hair that I had there. And that was my way of testing it out before I removed some of the hair, because on the box it says to make sure that you test it out before you fully, remove the hair to see if it's that time to remove it. So that's why they give you that time frame of about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so now that the cream is all done drying, I'm going to try and remove the cream with a cotton round. And I was able to get just a little bit of the hair off. So I'm just going to continue the process and see how much of the hair I can get off with the cotton round. And unfortunately, as I was doing it, I was not succeeding with the cotton round. So I just continued to see if I, push down a little bit harder, it would come off. But unfortunately, the cotton round was not working for me. So I would not suggest using a cotton round. So I tried to do the same on the other side just to make sure that it was the cotton round that wasn't working, and obviously it was the cotton round that was not working. So that was a little frustrating, but it's all about trial and error. Now, it did take me quite a while to try and get the hair removal of my eyebrows, because like I said, this is my first time doing it, so I was trying different things to see how I can actually shape my eyebrows and really get the hair off properly and effectively. So I was kind of doing that off camera, so I just pretty much showed you what it looked like right after I did my trial and error. I first tried it with the cotton rounds to get it off, but that wasn't working. So I ended up just taking a baby wipe, and then I did that, and then I was like removing it this way, and that I found was very effective in like getting a lot of the stubborn hair that was like sticking to the skin off. So that actually worked. I wasn't recording it, so you didn't see that part, but I just thought I'd explain that so you know. From what I see, it does look like it was pretty effective in helping me shape the eyebrows as well. I think I did pretty good for my first time, so I'm excited. Hey, I think I'm gonna try this. I'm not gonna do this all the time, but I like it. I'm just gonna do this, you know, when I need to, and whenever I have to. So I'm excited. Yay! So now I am all done and I'm just checking myself out, and I'm definitely feeling it, and I definitely love how it came out. So now I'm going to be applying the Soothing Relief Balm onto my eyebrows. And that's just to make sure that you don't have any irritation or any stinging after from the cream. And as you can see, I love it. So I'm definitely feeling myself, and I'm definitely glad I tried this.